My name's Liam O'Brien. I'm head of engineering at Nottingham City Transport. We had not a problem, but we wanted to improve our driver defect reporting system. We were using a paper-based system, manual, drivers with the old-fashioned books, writing the defects in, and we wanted a more efficient system that gave us better oversight of the fleet to allow us to react quicker as an engineering department. So we looked around, and the best solution we found was Tranzaura. We implemented it in the summer of 2020, and we've been fully digital now with Tranzaura talking to our digital workshop system and providing us with a real-time view of the entire fleet, and allowing us to communicate better with the driver and allowing the drivers to communicate directly with engineering. This gives us the advantage of being able to react quickly to today's driver defects in real time. So as an engineering department, our job is to protect the company's operator's license. And by having a real-time view of the fleet, the driver defects as they happen, and being able to view photos, which is a massive advantage of the Tranzaura system. It means that somebody qualified is always on hand to check the driver defect and make a more informed decision, and then communicate with the driver, and if necessary, bring the vehicle off road, carry out a repair straight away. It takes some pressure off the driver, as the driver has always rest assured then that there is an engineer checking his defect after he's put it on and double checking his decision that the vehicle is actually roadworthy. Right, so as an engineering department, one of our biggest costs is labour, and at the moment, skilled technicians are very difficult to come by. Having the Tranzaura system and having that information straight away means that we've been able to reduce the number of technicians on our night shift and move that labour back into the day shift and afternoon shifts, where we can make better use of the labour that we're paying for. Tranzaura has helped Nottingham City Transport immensely with the defect reporting. We've now got a full end-to-end audit trail from the driver putting the defect on to the defect being cleared, and we can check straight away after run out that all our vehicles have actually had a vehicle walk round check, and we can address any vehicles which aren't showing a check. Also, Tranzaura gives us the advantage of being able to time the walk round checks to make sure that drivers are spending an adequate amount of time, as they've been trained to do, and are doing a thorough and a quality walk round check. We started off looking for a simple to use but customizable driver defect reporting system. We found that in Tranzaura, and working with Shane and his team, nothing was too much trouble, and we ended up with a very simple to use product for our driver, well laid out, and it was bespoke to our business.